Hi, this is Bill. What I'll be presenting is requirements management automation featuring Dimensions RM. So these are the discussed points. So far, this is part 2 of the video series. What we have discussed is reusable documents. Now, continuing from our previous demo, let's go to the requirements tab and let's go to our business requirements. Now, we can actually see the state of the flow of the business requirement once it was created by Julia, and actually now it's for proposal for Joseph Wilson. And let's actually see at the details of the workflow state. And coming up from this page, go to actions and go to class information. Now we get to see the full workflow definition of this business requirement. So let's go out from this page and we can actually go to assignments. And at this state, we have the analyst like Joseph Wilson. So let's actually change it to a name, which is Laris. And let's do our project manager as Laris1 RM. Let's actually update it. Now that the business requirement has been updated, let's go to a Laris1 user who is an approver. On the dashboard, he actually created his recently changed requirements, and this is the requirement that Laris RM actually changed. As you can see, it was actually created by Julia and modified by Laris RM. So let's go in. Now in this document, on the top left, we get to see if we will be able to review or reject the document. And at this instance is to review. After actually selecting to review, let's press OK. We have demonstrated so far a customizable workflow, the capability of auto notifying the reviewer or approver of the document prior to publishing. We get to have full control, visibility, and improved quality of the document. Thank you for watching my channel. Please continue watching my video series.